Welcome to Infoveave. Here is a quick video on how to add a new user in Infoveave. There are two types of users available in Infoveave. Studio, a user role designed for creating, managing, and analyzing data through features like creating workflows and designing infoboards and reports. Viewer, a user role intended for accessing and viewing data, infoboards, and reports without the full functionality available to Studio users. To start, go to Administration and select User. Click New User. Select a role type, as either Studio or Viewer. Let us select Viewer as the role type. Start by entering the username, first name, last name, and email address. Use the Clone User feature to assign the assets, role, and permissions of an existing user. The Data Protection field secures data through various options like no hashing, one-way hashing, and two-way hashing. Next, select the data sources to grant the new user access to. Use the Add Filter button if you need to restrict data access, and click Save. The user will receive an email with the credentials and other information to sign in to Infoveave. Thank you for watching.